Read and trace. Gap. Nap. Lap.
Cap. Tap. Map.
Number 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trace and write the number name. The Muffin Man.
Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man that lives on Drury Lane?
Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man that lives on Drury Lane.
Number 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trace and write the number name. Things in living room.
Bookshelf. Television. Sofa. Clock. Curtain. Book. Pillow. Table. Carpet.
Things in a bedroom.
Bed. Pillows. Blanket. Wardrobe. Bedside table. Lamp. Chest of drawers. Dressing table. Alarm clock. Poster. Rug. Shelf.
Read and trace. Mat. Ba. Hat. That. Cat. Rat. Sat. Flat. Fa. Pat. Chat. Things in a kitchen.
Sink. Stove. Oven. Dishwasher. Microwave. Refrigerator. Range hood. Cabinet. Glass hanger. Pans. Chopping board. Pot. Kettle. Cup. Counter. Dishes. Nightstand. Blender.
Circle the things that are related to a kitchen.
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Three little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. 1, 2. Two little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. 1. One little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back. Sad Mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back.
Let's start learning about the comparison symbols. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Look, we use the mouth of an alligator to represent the symbols. His mouth is always open to the larger number. Let's see. On the left side, there are 8 dots, and on the right side, there are 5 dots. Number 8 is larger, so the alligator's mouth opened to 8, and we say 8 is greater than 5. Here we have another 2 groups of dots. There are 3 dots on the left side and 6 dots on the right side. Number 6 is larger, so the alligator's mouth is open to 6, and we say 3 is less than 6. Now we have 2 equal groups of 5 dots. Oh, this time the alligator does not know what to eat because these 2 numbers are equal. So his mouth will be like this, and we say 5 is equal to 5.
Count the objects and put the correct sign. Read and trace.
Bag, rag, tag, wag, nag, drag, lag, flag, stad,